cooking show from my home. So let's go! Guys, first thing that we should do is take this Bengal gram and keep it into water to 4 to 5 hours and then boil it. And then after the Bengal gram boiling, you should take the potatoes, like 15 to 20 potatoes, and then you should boil these potatoes too. Now we should smash the potatoes with smasher, something like this. Now take Bengal grams and add into smashed potatoes. Add Pani Puri masala and red chili and mix it well. Then your Pani Puri batter will be ready. Then you can add salt and coriander for garnishing. Take some mint, then coriander and green chili and make it a paste. Take the paste and mix it in the water. Take black salt, lemon and Pani Puri masala and mix it well. It will become the spicy water of Pani Puri. So guys, next step is take the onion and chop it into small pieces, something like this. So guys, as you can see, we can get Pani Puri's packet at outside too, but we can make Pani Puri's puri at home too. Okay guys, finally our Pani Puri is ready to eat. Okay guys, I think you liked my Pani Puri recipe. Thank you for watching.